my batteries are here, my switches are there, but I need to get power over to this side of the van without taking down the ceiling.
Oh, there's our problem. How do we get power from these switches to this cupboard without taking down the ceiling that Rebecca was so finely put up? So I've come up with a cunning plan. So the plan is to drill a hole in that side, thread this piece of plastic through from this side, attach a wire to that, and then pull it back through. Does any of that make sense? Let's just do it, shall we? I love it when a plan comes together. Well, that worked so well, I decided to run another 2 cables through. One cable for the lights and another cable for our ceiling fan. But I will need to take one of these planks down so that I can, kind of connect the ceiling fan up. And maybe put some lights down the centre as well as under the cupboards. Now, because Rebecca's already built out this camper van, I recommended that she buy these flush fitting puck lights rather than the ones that are recessed. And the reason for this is because by fitting these, all she needs to do, well, all I need to do, is drill one hole for this single wire to come through the ceiling, and then we can simply screw these in place. And I've just so happens I've fitted some under the cupboard just so you can see what they look like. And I think they don't look too bad. Yeah, a simple solution to what could have been a major headache. Now I've fitted a bank of these switches underneath the cupboard so that Rebecca can charge her phone, go on her laptop when she's laying in bed, all that nice cosy stuff. Now here's the dilemma. The back of the switches have got this inline fuse. This is how they came, and this inline fuse is one of these little micro fuses, and I've had a look on this fuse and I can't see what rating it is. All I can see on there is that it says it's 240 volts, which is a bit odd. So for that reason I'm simply going to just cut this off thus, and then connect these wires together, and the other end of this power cable is going to go to our main fuse box, where we can fit a fuse that we know what the rating is. If the fuse does ever blow, we know that Rebecca's going to have a spare fuse rather than being left with this and no spare fuse. So that's what we're going to do. That's the plan. So I've wired up the lights above the cabinet, and I've wired up the switch panel as well. So this is the real nice bit. Have a look at this. There you go. Looks really nice, doesn't it? It's a nice kind of blue, that is. If we flick this switch on, those lights come on too. Now I think Rebecca's really going to like that. Oh, just so happens, here she comes now. You alright?
Hiya.
Come in and have a look at this. See what you think.
Okay.
There you go, have a look at your switch panel.
Oh yay! That's really lovely. Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Like that?
Yeah, I really
Now,
love it.
flick that switch closest to you. Look behind you.
Oh yes. Oh, those are fantastic. Yeah, I'm really pleased with those. Those are amazing.
Yeah, good.
Really good. Yeah.
Okay, let's do the rest.
Let's do it.
So I've now got lights under here, we've got lights under there, got 2 charge sockets back there, so all that's left to do is put some lights straight down the middle. And to do that, I do actually need to take some of the ceiling down. But luckily, one thing that Becky did do is have the foresight to remove the tongue from the tongue and groove, so this centrepiece should, theoretically, come down. This one piece in the middle, and that's exactly where I'm going to put the lights, straight down the middle. And the reason for that is because when you open these doors, oops, that's the only piece that's actually visible. So that way, with these doors open, we still have light inside the van. Right, let's get my screwdriver and see if that piece of timber will come down. Now if this was my van, I'd be quite happy to leave that wiring as it is, held in place with just gaffer tape. But because I'm rewiring this van, or wiring this van for Rebecca, I figured I'd better do it properly and use some conduit. So I'm going to put this conduit up the side in the corner of this cabinet, and because it's self-adhesive, it should be quite straightforward. But do I trust the self-adhesive? We'll have to see if it's strong enough. If not, I'm going to try and staple it in place using my heavy-duty staple gun. I'll tell you what, scrap that last comment about using a staple gun. There's absolutely no need. This stuff's super sticky. I mean, that is no way that's coming off of there. Once that's stuck down, yeah, that's not going anywhere. So I think we'll scrap the idea of staples. That looks so much better. Look at that, it looks really professional. I'm quite proud of that now. Maybe I should get some of that for my van. Well, 2 days later I finally get round to finishing off fitting these lights. The reason it's taking so long is because Bob the builder, Rebecca's dad, hijacked me to help fix the garage roof. As you'll see from this little clip. So I come here to help Becky with her van, and I've ended up helping Bob with his roof. So after that little escapade, I did manage to fit the lights, and it's all wired in now. I'm just going to get Rebecca to switch it on for the first time to see what she thinks. Hit the switch, Rebecca.
Okay, here we go. Woo.
Fingers crossed it works. I've not tried it myself yet. That's a fib I have, really.
I hope you have. Oh wow.
There you go.
That looks amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah,
like that?
that's really good. Oh,
and what happens when you open the doors? That's one thing I didn't try. Does it make much difference? Oh, that's alright, isn't it?
that's perfect.
Yeah, because you've got these, it keeps it all nice and bright.
Yeah, so you can get in what you want and then pop them down, and it doesn't interfere with the main
you
light.
can still see. And
Perfect.
I've got little sockets at the back as well for you.
Oh great. Okay. So I can charge
Charge your phone,
my phone,
charge your laptop.
and turn it on as well. Oh great. That's brilliant.
Yeah, you like that?
That's brilliant. Yeah, that's really good. And I've got them on both sides.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you got the choice.
That's amazing. Oh, you are a brilliant man.
Thank you very much. So do I get a thumbs up?
You do. You get a thumbs up from me. Yeah, definitely.
Good. So there you go. If you like this video, please do give me the thumbs up, or give Rebecca a thumbs up. Don't forget to stay tuned for more exciting escapades.
Woo!
Maybe we'll get to fit the water tank, or maybe not. Who knows?
We'll find out.
Thanks for watching. It's about half an hour.
No.
Right, let's go.
Yeah.
It's to drill a hole in that end. No, that end's outside. What did I say? Jinx to myself. Oh, you bastard.